Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to the JAKCOM R5 Smart Ring. This is not just any ordinary ring, it's a technological marvel that combines style and functionality in a way that you've never seen before. Let me tell you all about it. First of all, let me talk about the design. The JAKCOM R5 features a unique Tai Chi color theme, with double colors on the front and back sides. It's a new fashionable accessory that will definitely make you stand out from the crowd. But it's not just about looks. This ring is made of fine ceramics, with the surface hardness second only to diamond, making it durable and scratch-free. It's also silky and skin-friendly, with a warm and smooth feel that you'll love wearing every day. The functionality of this smart ring is truly impressive. It supports 6 RFID cards, including IC cards, ID cards, and NFC cards, which coexist without conflict. You can use the ring to share social contacts and even use it as a trigger for the intelligent scene of Mi Home smart devices. It can transfer files using just a touch, has built-in Apple shortcuts, and even supports Huawei iShare and Amiibo functions. What's more, the JAKCOM R5 is lightweight and waterproof, making it perfect for everyday wear. It's inlaid with 2 energy stones to improve human EMFs, helping to improve balance, strength, and speed. And with a size specification that's suitable for everyone, it makes for the perfect gift for friends and family. And the best part? You can get the JAKCOM R5 Smart Ring with free shipping. Yes, you heard that right. This incredible piece of technology can be yours with just a few clicks. So, whether you're looking for a unique and practical accessory for yourself or for a special gift for a loved one, the JAKCOM R5 Smart Ring is the perfect choice. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a truly remarkable piece of technology. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the JAKCOM R5 Smart Ring today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.